In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to find a building in Focal Light. There are two ways. One is to use the map, the other is to use the building search. I will show you using the map first. We're going to find our head office in Staines, London, England. So here we have Europe. You can zoom around, very similar to some things you've probably used before. You can now drill in, and you see here it's clustered. That indicates that there's, in this instance, 7 sites within that cluster. Zoom in further, and then it starts to subdivide. And as we can see here, as I happen to know that is our Staines office, just off the M40 there, I can zoom in and keep going, and there it is. And click, and that's our Staines office. The second way is to use a more detailed search, which is much more useful if you don't geographically know where the site is. So we'll go back here, click on building search, and much like the assets, everything is listed. All these buildings that are installed into this particular instance. So because it's a Cadline site, I can type in Cadline, and there we have it. So there's just 4 Cadline sites in this instance, and one of them is the Staines office, and click. And that's it. Nice and easy. Thanks for watching.